thought I'd start my journey off here at Anglesea. I've just ridden from Melbourne, up northeast suburbs of Melbourne. It wasn't very interesting along the freeway. Stopped here at Anglesea at the Scenic Lookout. So plans today are to get to Apollo Bay. Apollo Bay tonight, Mount Gambier tomorrow, then Adelaide the day after. So I've got a place to stay at Apollo Bay tonight. So quick overview of the bike, how I've got it loaded up. So as you can see here, we've got these OGO side bags at the back. Two of those, SW rear square bag. I don't know what size litres these are at all. And then I've also got the Nelson rig tail bag, which is actually strapped on top of the tail bag there. And then I've got my tank bag as well, so this just houses my camera and wallet and stuff that I'm not using. Just chuck my hat down there so when I get off the bike I need it. Other than that, the bike has done well. About to fuel up and keep going. So just leaving Anglesea now. I hope that you got a good view there. So I've already ridden 150 k's this morning. I left at about 10 o'clock this morning, took it easy through town. I had to stop a couple of times. I got some food and a couple of the supplies. Just stopped at Anglesea for a bit, dropped into a mechanics there because I need a 30mm socket. I bought 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and I didn't bring a 13mm, so just needed to tighten up my exhaust. Currently just cruising through Anglesea. Might take a stop at the Split Point Lighthouse and just take it easy. I'm not sure what this weather's doing. When I left Melbourne it was blue skies, patchy cloud. Now I've got down here and she's a bit overcast. Doesn't really look like rain. It's a bit cold. No, I wouldn't say cold, cool. But I'm warm, so that's all that matters. Leave it with the views through Anglesea till we get to the lighthouse. So it appears you can't actually take your car up there anymore. That very well sucks. I thought you could take your car up there. Whew. Yeah. So having a look at this, my side stand decided to sink straight down in there. That was a bit scary, so put it on the center stand. Much more stable. now to the next stop that I feel like stopping. I tried to Google how far, use Waze to see how far Apollo Bay is. It's 50 k's, but who knows how long. I've still got an hour before I can check into my accommodation, so we will venture off. I did feel a few drops of rain when I was getting geared up. Not sure it's going to be too bad, but oh well. The temperature is definitely dropping though. Definitely dropping. Get a bit of speed up to get up the hill. Yeah, this bike does struggle a little bit to get up hills, but not too bad. Look at this. The ocean, waves crashing, the sea mist rolling over the hills. She's bloody beautiful, mate. So I'm doing this trip on a Monday. I did think about leaving on Saturday, but I know being the Great Ocean Road and how busy it is, weekends can be absolutely terrible through here. Those waves look beautiful. I'm not a surfer, but it makes me want to have a shot. Maybe in summer. Oh yeah, this house here. This house here is an interesting one. It's called the Pole House. So it's just a single bedroom. Looks out over the water. It's a pretty interesting concept. It'd be really nice on a nice day. Just got to my accommodation, staying at the hostel, YHA, whatever it is, in Apollo Bay. Kicked my shoes off already because I'm getting hot with all my gear on. About to jump in the shower, get all my gear on charge, and then go find some dinner. I don't even know what time it is at the moment. What are we looking at? It's only 5 o'clock, so go find some food and go from there. But it's a good ride. Started to get really misty rain and cold by the end of it, but wasn't too bad. Wasn't really misty rain, it was the sea mist, sort of blurred up the visor a lot. Hopefully it worked alright on the GoPro, you can see it on the GoPro alright. But alright, time for me to have a shower because I stink, and then find some food. We'll see what we can find in the area. Hopefully there's nothing too far away, because bike's packed up and I'm just going to walk, and I've only got my thongs. I left my shoes in my saddlebags. Oh, let's go see what we can find. So that's a wrap for day one. I'll leave it here for this video, and the next video will be out as soon as I get that completed, hopefully within the next week, for day 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 of my adventures. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stick around for the rest of them. Thanks for watching.